can divide the two countries. Politics can divide them to the extent of other issues happening. But then, for the countries, business and trade and investment brings them together so that at the final analysis, they can be strong blocks. So the shortest way to get to peace, to ensure that peace is showed, and what people strengthen the relationship has to go through trade and business. If you look at the European Union, everybody knows that the biggest fights in the world, known as the World Wars, started in the European countries. And the two countries who highlighted this, who spearheaded this, the ones who put in place the European Union. And the underpinning factor is trade of coal and other sources of energy. So therefore, talking about culture, what brings together closer, you talk about trade and all issues relating to economies and investment. Even the languages that we speak, there is always what will spearhead the languages. I mean, it also goes with trade and business. So our meeting here today in two countries which in final analysis are one, to talk about economy, to talk about trade, and also to talk about investments, which is the backbone of the economy and trade. So in view of the above, I believe that this is significant. So this is why we hosted the second edition here with a view to showcasing such meetings. This is the second edition of the forum. It's commendable. This edition has as its theme harmonizing of friendlier business environment. All that we are doing, all that we are doing that underpins trade, economy, and investment, that we have to harmonize this between the Gambia and Senegal. This, in the final analysis, if you look at it from a global perspective, as African and Pan-Africans, we have to talk about African Union first. You know, the African Union is vast. The idea is to bring together all the African countries in a big space, more than 30 million square kilometers. The heads of states have deemed it necessary to harmonize all issues relating that would enable Africa to be a single market. This is why the AFCTFA, all African countries with the exception of one. Now, we and the Gambia, we all are part and parcel of ECOWAS. ECOWAS, these bring together countries in the western part of Africa. This also is a 6 million square kilometer space. For the time being, and currently, we have 17 countries who have decided to set up an integrated zone, a single market, so that any things that related, all the obstacles should be overtaken. We even talked about creating a common external tariff, mainly to harmonize all issues relating to customs when it comes to goods coming from other areas into our zone. Furthermore, we have participated in other fora, because not long ago I came here to attend the OMVG meeting. These are countries that share common heritage, because God brings together people, sometimes by force. Well, people say you cannot choose your relatives, but then when it talks about state, you cannot choose your neighbor. But sometimes God brings you together so that you can manage the affairs. So, for example, the lands, the rivers, the Casamance River, the Gambia River, it's our heritage between Senegal and the Gambia. And this is why Senegal and Gambia met at that time, see how they can come up with a charter to see how together we can smoothly manage the Gambia River. Thereafter, Guinea-Bissau and Conakry joined the OMVG. But if you look at the status, it is Senegal and the Gambia who established the OMVG. So Vice President and the President, Mr. Barrow, we should look at the texts, because these texts have been signed a long time ago. Furthermore, this is, I've talked about a broader aspect, AU, ECOWAS, but then we have a bilateral institution, the Secretariat between the Gambia and Senegal. As God will wish, in 2000, from 2011 to date, namely 13 years now, the permanent secretariat never met with a view to looking at what can be done and to smooth it so that we'll be able to all benefit from it. So today, our meeting here in Banjul, within that framework, we would like to thank God, but then we will have to commend the two heads of state, President Adama Barrow and President Bassirou Diomaye Faye. But then, please allow me to congratulate also the Vice President, because he was the one who mooted the initiative. He sat with us and said we would like to come to Dakar on a working visit. This took 2 days, and during those 2 days, we discussed about this matter. President Adama Barrow was duly informed, and that before the end of the year, let us try and bring together the community to launch the ideas that are beneficial to both of us. So today's meeting is part and parcel of the Trade Investment Forum. So I would like to congratulate the Gambian authorities. I would like to congratulate the conveners, APIX and JIPA. And also I would like to congratulate the diplomatic representatives and the two private sectors of both the Gambia and Senegal. My dear brothers and sisters, I just said that these two countries are one and the same. So, dealing on trade and business should be between since 2001, when it was initiated with 80,000 CFA francs, that is to say, trade between the two countries. And 2023, we are talking about 117 billion. There has been a lot of evolution. And it should be stated that this figure should have been hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of $billions. And this should be multiplied by 10 or by 5. This is our ambition now. In the years to come, if we meet again now towards the next 3 years, the 117 billion in terms of commercial trade, we hope that this would attain $500 million. At that time,
li nga xam ne moom la Gambia war a jëriñ Sénégal war koo jëriñ Gambia.
We will be
ñaari réew yi
concentrating on mutual benefits
ak ay statistiques mun ko
and statistics and data
te ñu mun
have
koo def
shown
nag ci
this.
domaine yëpp.
And this can be done in all fields. We have talked about agriculture here,
infrastructure yaa ngi fi.
but then we have infrastructure.
énergie bi nga xam ne waxtaan nañ ci
We
keroog ci
have
OMVG
energy. We have talked a lot about energy during the OMVG meeting. Is here in both
Transport bi.
countries. The transport sector,
nga xam ne lu mënut a ñàkk la.
which is
diggante
indispensable
Gambia ak Sénégal.
between the
Transport
Gambia
terrestre
and Senegal.
ci suuf si.
Land transportation,
transport maritime
maritime
ndax benn
transportation,
port bi kese la.
because we all
Transport
have one
fluvial.
coast, and then river
waaye
transportation,
transport aérien
but also air
loolu lu mënul ñàkk la te lu ñu
transportation.
war a développer la.
All these above
Ci wàllu
sectors
tourisme
should be developed. When it comes to tourism
ak ci wàllu
and when
économie
it comes to
numérique
the digital economy,
ci secteur industriel bi
the industrial sector,
hydrocarbures yi nga xam ne tey
the oil sector today, oil
njort nañu
products,
nee ñu ko gisee
the way we have
ci
seen it,
Sénégal
in
noonu la
Sénégal,
amee fii ci Gambie ndax même bassin bi
the
la.
availability of
Xanaa
oil
kay
products in Senegal
prospection yi
should be
moom
the
la yéex.
same as in Senegal,
Waaye
because
même
it's the
bassin
same
bi la.
basin.
Jàpp
Maybe
nañu
it's the
foo ko jëlee
prospective
ci nord ba ci
platform
sud,
which is different,
di nga fa fekk
but
la
then
même chose.
from the north
Ci
to the
wàllu
south,
pêche bi,
you will find oil
napp gi.
products. Now, when it comes to fisheries,
yooyu yëpp di ay secteurs yoo xam
all
ne
the above
secteur potentiel yu am solo la.
potential
ñu war koo mën a gën a ful
sectors, and
diggante
we
Sénégal
should be
ak
able
Gambie.
to enhance them between Senegal
Waaye léegi-léegi
and the Gambia.
ci
But also,
exposé moom
Who,
directeur général APIX dafa wax ni
like in his presentation, the
ñun
Director
lu ñu
General
gisee
of APIX
renforcement bi
said
du
the
rek
manner
diggante Banjul
in which we
ak Dakar.
enhance the relationship between Banjul
parce que ñun bu ñu
and
ñëwee dañu
Dakar,
ne lenn ci suñuy problème
because
mooy
when we came,
Express.
what
Suñu
we
politique
had,
yépp dañ
our
koy
heart was
xalaat,
that all
tënk
our
ko
policies would
à
be
partir de suñu
taught
capital.
from our
réew nag boo
capital.
ko bëggee développer
But then, if you want to develop
il
the
faut
country,
fépp foo dem ci réew mi
everywhere you
nga
go
fekk fa
in
à peu
the
près même niveau de
country,
développement.
you have to have the same
ñu ne kon
level
Sénégal yemul
of
ci Dakar.
development. So Senegal, Dakar is not, Senegal
Ba tax
does not
suñu
stop at Dakar.
programme
So
de
consequently,
transformation bi ñu war a
our
yóbbu 2050
transformation program to
dañoo xaaj Sénégal ay
2050,
pôle
Senegal will be divided
muy
into hubs,
juróomi pôle ak ñett
8 hubs.
pôle yooyu nag
And these hubs,
benn bu nekk dafa war a doon un
each
foyer de
of
développement
them should be a cradle
boo xam ne
of
dañ koy xalaatee
development,
ak ni ñu koy
so
tënkee
that
ni
the
ñu koy
way
doxalee
we think about it, the way
du
we
lu nit
showcase
toog
it,
Ndakaaru rek
would not
di ko
mean
xool à
somebody
l'image de
staying
Dakar.
in Dakar and
Waaye
seeing
dañuy
things
jël
from the
en
prism
compte
of Dakar,
réalité pôle
but
boobu.
they should take into account the realities
jàpp
of
nag
that
ni
hub. So
pôle
we
yi nga xam ne
believe
pôle
that the poles or
frontalier
the
lañu.
hubs, the border hubs,
soo jëlee lu mel ni
if
Gambie
you take for example the
dafa am
Gambia,
frontière ak li ñuy wax ñun pôle centre nga xam
it
ne
has
moo
a
boole
border
région de
with the
Kaolack
central hub
ak Kaffrine
that is between the
ak Fatick.
region of Kaolack, Kaffrine
Loolu côté
and
nord bi.
Fatick. This is on the northern
waaye mu
part.
am
But then
également frontière
there-
ak pôle sud
Gambia also has
nga
a
xam ne moo
frontier
boole
with the southern hub,
Ziguinchor Kolda
that is
ak
Ziguinchor,
Sédhiou.
Kolda, and Sédhiou.
Info
ñu jàpp ni nag
Express.
We
bu ñuy
believe
xalaat ci développement
that if we want
suñuy
to
diggante
talk about
warul doon
development
rek
amongst our two
diggante
countries,
Banjul ak
it should
Dakar
not only be between
ay
the
gisee yu mel
capital,
nii waaye dafa war a
Banjul
doon
and
concrètement sur le
Dakar,
terrain.
but it should happen concretely
yooyu
on the
naka
ground.
la ñuy liggéey
So those poles,
ak
those
Gambie bi nga
hubs,
xam ne moom la ñu
how
amal frontière.
can they work
Bokk na ci
with
xalaat
the
yi.
Gambia on the border
Mooy ñu
areas? It
fexe
is
ba am
part of our
zone
agenda.
économique
We
transfrontalière.
have to have cross-border
ñaari réew yi dañ
economic
koy seq.
zones which would be
Mu doon
managed
zone
by
économique
both
yoo xam ne
countries.
mën na dajale
These would be economic
d'abord
zones that first and
les
foremost
secteurs privés nationaux
would bring together the national
waaye
private
mën na
sector,
andi
but
xëcc
also
ay
would
investisseurs étrangers.
bring foreign
te ñu am ay
investment.
règles yu koy régir
And there are
mu doon
rules
partenariat
that
boo xam ne
govern these
win-win lay
hubs,
doon parce que
and
ñun
this
suñu
would be
gis-gis
a
ay réew bu
win-win
ñu war a ànd.
partnership.
nañu dox ci nawlante
So let us
te
work
lépp lu ñuy def
in
benn
that
réew bu
spirit,
nekk na ci gis boppam.
and whatever we do, each country should find benefits in
kon
it.
lii moo tax ñu ne
So
deuxième session
this
bi
is why we are saying that the second edition of this trade and
ne
investment forum
deuxième session bi nga xam ne ñu ngi koy tenir fii
that we are convening here
day doon
today
rek prolongement
is
ci li ñu
just
def boobu ba léegi
an extension
waaye ñuy
of
insister
what
ni nag
we have done. But then we would like to place particular
Adduna bi xaaruñu.
emphasis. The world is
ñun
not
Afrique
waiting
dañu
for
war a
us.
xam suñu retard fi
Africa
mu toll.
should know where our
adduna bi
backwardness
vitesse a koy
is.
doxal.
And
tàmm nañu
we have
lu ñeneen ñi di def ci benn fan.
what others have
ñun
been doing
africain
in
nañ ko
one
def ci
day,
ñaari weer.
we Africans, we
Loolu mooy
want
justifier
to
suñu
do
retard.
it in 2 months. This
coopération bi dafa war a
explains
doon loo xam ne
why we are
au
behind.
quotidien la war a doon.
Cooperation should be done
loo
on a
xam ne sommet ba sommet lay
day-to-day
doon.
basis, not only during
Loolu
from one
mooy
summit to the
solo
other. This is
secrétariat
the
permanent bi.
crux of the matter. This is
siège am
why
nekk fii ci
the
Banjul.
secretariat,
Réew
permanent
mu nekk
secretariat
am ñu fi
headquarters
désigné
in
ñu ñëw
East
toogal ko
Gambia, and the country, each country
soobee
would
Yàlla dinañ
appoint
ko gën a
their
dooleel.
representative, and God willing, we will
Dinañ ko gën a jox
infuse
ay moyens,
more dynamism
jox
into
ko
the
jumtukaay yi
secretariat.
mu war a am
We will give it the
ba mu mën a
necessary
nekk
wherewithal
rôle bi mu waroon jouer mu jouer
so that it will
mooy rôle de liaison.
play
de
its
facilitation
rightful
et
role,
d'accélération.
the role of liaison, facilitation, and fast tracking of relationship
Kon ñuy
between the
rafetlu
two countries.
li nga xam
So
ne gis
we
nañ
are
ni
happy, we commend
depuis quelques weer
that
dafa mel ni
for
coopération bi
some
relancé
months, it has, if the cooperation
Ndax
between the two countries has been
ci mois de
rekindled,
juillet bi weesu rek
because in last
am nañ
July,
ñaari daje yu am
we
solo
convened two
muy session comité de
important
coopération
meetings.
commerciale bi
The session of the
Loolu ñaareel bi.
trade committee,
ñu daje
we met,
waaye surtout
but then most
muy
especially,
ñaareelu daje
it
bilatéral
is the second
diggante ñaari pays
bilateral
yi
meeting
ñi nga xam ne
between
mooy
the two
suñu
countries,
administration douanière ñaari
and
douane yi
by
gis nañu
attended by the
décision yu
two
am
custom
solo yoo xam ne
administrations,
jël nañ ko fa
and they have taken
pour gën a
fruitful
rataxal
decisions
relation
to
commerciale économique yi ak
enhance
surtout relation d'investissement yi.
the investment and business relationship between the two
Kon monsieur le
countries.
vice-président,
So, Mr. Vice President,
monsieur les invités,
their invitees,
suñu teewee fii
when we
dañoo ñëw pour gën a
Leave.
feddali
we are here
li nga xam ne mooy
We are
suñu
here.
gis-gis
to
mooy ci suñu liggéey
to
ci suñuy relation
showcase
internationale
our relationship and also the international
Suñu priorité.
relationship. Our
mooy
priority
l'Afrique d'abord
is Africa
ci biir
before
Afrique boobu suñu
else.
priorité
And
mooy
within
la
Africa, our
Waaye ci biir
priority
suñu
is the
région bi
sub-region.
suñu priorité
But then within the
mooy
sub-region,
suñuy dëkkandoo
our
yi ñu gën a
priority
jege.
would be
Parce
our
que Sénégal
immediate
mënul dem
neighbors.
bàyyi Gambie,
Because Senegal cannot
Gambie
go
mënul
and
dem
live
bàyyi Sénégal.
behind Senegal, neither can the Gambia
kon du ma
go
daaneel sama
without
wax
leaving
te
Senegal.
delluwuma
Now,
gërëm
I cannot
Son Excellence le
conclude
Président Adama
without
Barrow
thanking His Excellency President
ci
Adama Barrow
tertu bi ci yaatal bi
for the
waaye di ko
welcome.
féliciter
But
ndax
I would
sommet bi ñu am
also
fii
like to congratulate His
ci fan
Excellency
yee
Mr.
weesu.
Barrow, because
budul woon
the summit we had not long
leadership
ago
am
here,
peut-être duñu am résultat yi ñu ci am
without his leadership,
kon ñu
we
ngi koy
would
gërëm
not
ci
have
turu Son
attained
Excellence Président
the
Bassirou Diomaye
result.
Faye.
So on behalf of President Bassirou
waaye di
Diomaye
ngeen ma may
Faye,
it
we
ma
would like to congratulate President
Madame le maire
Barrow.
de
But
Banjul,
please allow me to
di sama
congratulate
xarit,
the Lord Mayor of
di sama
Banjul, my
jigéen,
friend, my sister,
ci teewaayam fii
for her welcome.
di ko
I would
feddali
like to
diggante bi muy diggante personnel nag
express
diggante nit ak
my
nitam waaye am
satisfaction
nañu mbégte
for
ci gis ko
the
fi ndax Banjul
personal
moo ñu teeru tey
relationship,
mooy
because
capital bi
it is good that she is here. She is the one
Kon ñu
who
ngi
is
leen di gërëm
welcoming
di leen
us
sant.
here. So we thank
di leen
you,
souhaiter
we greet you,
ci seen liggéey bi ngeen di liggéey
and in your respective works,
lépp loo
we
xam ne luñ
would
ci
like
séenu woon
to
la
wish you
yàlla nañu yàlla jox lu ko
all the success. May God give us
Sénégal
more.
ak Gambie benn la
Senegal and the Gambia are
Dara
one
mënu koo xam
and the
ñaar.
same. Nothing can divide
Vive
the
le
two
Sénégal
countries.
et vive
Long
la
live
République de Gambie.
Senegal,
Merci.
long live the Republic of the Gambia.